Welcome, today I am with Huawei FreeBuds 3 and I'll show you how you can hard reset this device. So as you can see, I'm currently connected with AI Live application. You can also check the connection status here. And what if you want to make the reset? So you have to open the case of the buds and then take a look on the right edge. Let me just catch focus. In this place, you can find this button. You have to click and hold it for the 10 seconds, around 10 seconds, until this indicator inside starts blinking 2 or 3 times on the red color. So let's make it right now. Let's click and hold this button and take a look on the indicator. Okay, right now we can release. It blinks 4, 5, 4.5 times on the red color, and as you can see right now we are disconnected. We are not connected anymore, so we can just connect with these earbuds by going right here for the settings. You can just pair them one more time. So that's how we can make hard reset of the Huawei FreeBuds 3, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.